Hello everyone, today I'll show you an easy technique that will help you a lot in comparing data in Microsoft Excel. Let's dive in. Imagine we have a separate sheet for January containing a table with names and several columns of numbers, and I want to compare it with another table in another sheet which has the same table layout. Please note that it is crucial that they have the same table structure. Now, our goal is to highlight only those cells that have been modified, meaning they have a different value compared to the corresponding cells in the other sheet. To begin, select the data starting from the first name, then navigate to Conditional Formatting and click on Manage Rules. From there, select New Rules. Then click on Format Only Cells That Contain, leaving the cell value as is, and change the condition to not equal, since we only want to highlight unmatched cells. Now, it is time to write the VLOOKUP formula, starting with equals, then VLOOKUP followed by parentheses, the cell you want to look for. Here we want, in our case, the first name. Click on it. As you see, we have B3 with dollar signs, which means this is an absolute reference. So I will remove the dollar sign before number 3 to make it relative reference. This will make our VLOOKUP works fine when the row number changes. Now the second parameter in the VLOOKUP formula is table array. So we have to select the table array from the second table. For this, I will go to the second sheet and I will select the table area which I want. Since we are using the name as a search criteria, the rows doesn't matter where the name is located in. Next, write column as the third parameter, then -1 since we start from the second column. Don't worry, I'll explain it more why we wrote -1 later in this video. Finally, add false as the last parameter, as we want to do the exact match when we comparing the cells. Now click on Format to choose a field color for unmatched cells. Let's select green and click OK. You'll notice some cells are now highlighted, indicating they have different values compared to the corresponding cells in the other sheet. For testing purpose, let's make those values the same. You'll see the highlights disappear. So I put 22 in both tables. As you see, the highlight went away. Now let me explain why we used -1 in the VLOOKUP formula. To make you understand this, let me add column at the beginning of the table. As you see, the comparison messed up. To fix this, let's select our data again and go to the Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Double click on your rule that you already created. Here, because we have two columns before our starting column, so we have to make it -2. Then click Apply and OK. As you see, now the comparison work again. It is important to note that adding or removing columns in the second sheet does not affect the comparison. Now let's remove the two columns before the full name column and see what happens. As you see, it messed up the comparison again. To fix it, select the area again and go to the Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, double click on the role you have created, then remove the -2 as your starting column is the full name, which is the first one in the formula. So click OK. As you see, the comparison come back working normally. I hope this video was useful for everybody. See you in my next video.